Hi, Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video we're going to be painting a wallpapered ceiling. If you would like to purchase some of the tools or similar tools that are used for this task, please feel free to check out the links in the description below. And also, if you're planning on doing any other decorating work, please feel free to check out my tool store. The link is also in the description below. So with that said, let's do this! The tools and materials for this task is some white matte emulsion, a roller bucket, a corner roller, a roller pole, dust brush, paintbrush and a paint kettle. This is the wallpapered ceiling that we're going to be painting. Right, with a combination of my corner roller and paintbrush, we set about painting the ceiling. This is a 2 to 4 foot roller pole that I'm using. I mean, for higher ceilings you want to use the 4 to 8 foot pole. A top tip when painting ceilings is when you're having to put too much pressure on your roller pole and on the roller, that's generally a time to load your roller back up. This is the top landing ceiling. If you would like to purchase some of the similar tools that are used for this task, please feel free to check out the links in the description below. And also, if you're planning on doing any other decorating works, please feel free to visit my tool store. The link is also in the description below. Also, if you would like to know how to paint a new plastered ceiling, please feel free to wait until the end of the video where it will pop up on an end screen. This is the upstairs landing finished after 2 coats. And here is the downstairs hallway ceiling finished after 2 coats. don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get notified of when I release my next video. Remember, it is free. Also, if you want to leave a comment in the comment section, please do so, because that's how we all learn and grow. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.